let's make caramelized ginger chicken. Whoa, that's so good. There's no soy sauce, no cornstarch, but that sauce got body. Woo! It's gonna go fast, so we're gonna do some prep work. First up, we have the aromatics: onion, ginger, and garlic. See if I can juggle. Oh, can't juggle. Okay, now it's time to caramelize the sugar, which is my favorite part. You want to keep stirring it so the sugar doesn't burn. And now for some coconut water. Don't cover it, let the coconut water reduce. The sugars in the coconut water will also start to caramelize.